Special features. Binance provides several special features and various promotions that you're not going to find on any other exchanges. If you look at these banners at the top of the page, they're constantly changing and updating with new competitions and promotions. We'll cover the ones that are currently available. First, you've got the Binance referral program. This actually enables you to earn a commission for anybody that you refer to use the Binance Exchange, and it's really easy to do. If you're with somebody, have them scan the QR code. If you want to email them a link, copy it and send it to them, or you can just give them your referral ID number, and when they sign up on the exchange, if they plug it in, you'll get credit. From that point forward, you will earn a commission. Conveniently, you can also see how many people you referred and check out how much commission you've earned in real time. Binance does note that they can stop this referral program at any time, but for right now, it's still up and running. If we go back to the homepage, we'll see they have various competitions where you can earn free cryptocurrency and even win some exotic cars. Right now, there's nothing listed, but if we look at this last one here, on Valentine's Day, you can see that they're giving away a lot of free gifto. These are constantly changing and always updating, so make sure you pay attention to those banners and see what the latest and greatest promotion is. Another unique feature is the Community Coin of the Month. The Community Coin of the Month allows for users to vote for which coin they want to see listed on the exchange next. It does cost you 0.1 BNB to cast your vote, but that's a great feature if there's something that's not currently listed that you want to see on the site. They give you that power and opportunity to do so. Now, if we go back to the home page and we look at the top menu bar, we'll see Launchpad. Launchpad is Binance's ICO portal. This gives people a chance to get in early on a coin before it gets listed on the exchange. Currently, there's nothing listed, but you can see two of the past ICOs that they launched, both Bread and Gifto. So check back regularly and see when a new one lists, and you can join in on that ICO. Now, if we go back to the home page and we go to our account portal, we'll notice two more features unique to Binance. Number one, they allow you to save money on your trading transactions if you choose to pay your fees using Binance Coin. We cover this in greater detail in the fees chapter of our training. If you look at the bottom of the page, you'll see distribution history. This feature allows you to earn free NEO gas by simply holding NEO in your Binance Exchange wallet. NEO is a proof-of-stake coin that pays out free gas if you hold it in their native NEO wallet. The only other place to earn free gas is to hold it on the Binance Exchange. These distributions are paid monthly. Lastly, if you look at the very bottom of the page and click download, you'll see there are multiple ways to make trades using the Binance Exchange. Beyond the web portal, you can actually make trades directly from your phone if you download the app on your Android device or your Apple device. In addition, they have a very extensive advanced trading exchange platform if you download the PC client to your Windows-based computer.